The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, an old mother pig had 3 piglets. Unfortunately, she didn't have enough food to keep them, so she sent them out to seek their own luck. When the first pig went out, he met a man with a bundle of straw. The pig said, "Sir, please give me the straw so I can build a house." The man gave him the straw, and the pig built a house out of straw. Soon after, a big bad wolf passed by. He knocked on the door and said,
"Hey, little pig, let me in."
The pig replied, "No, no, not by the hair on my chinny chin chin."
"Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in,"
said the wolf, and so he did. He huffed and he puffed, and he blew the door down. The little pig ran quickly away to his brother. His brother, the second pig, had met a man with a bundle of sticks. The pig said, "Sir, please give me the sticks so I can build a house." The man gave him the sticks, and the pig built a house of sticks. He was sitting in his house, feeling proud, when he heard a knock on the door. It was his little brother. "The wolf blew my house down. Please can I stay here?" "Of course, my house is made of sticks. It's safe for sure," his brother said. Then the big bad wolf came by the house made of sticks and said,
"Hey, little pig, let me in."
"No, no, not by the hair on my chinny chin chin," replied the pig.
"Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in,"
said the wolf, and so he did. He huffed and he puffed, and he blew the door down. The 2 little pigs quickly ran away to their other brother. The third pig had met a man with a load of bricks. The pig said, "Please, sir, give me those bricks so I can build a house." The man gave him the bricks, and the pig built a house out of bricks. He was sitting in his house when he heard a knock on the door. It was his brothers. "The wolf has blown our houses down. Please can we stay here?" "Of course, my house is made of brick. It's safe for sure," the brother said. "But the wolf will surely come around here. Let's make a plan to make sure he never bothers us again." So the 3 little pigs came up with a plan, and just like the pig predicted, the wolf came to his house. The big bad wolf came to the house made of bricks and said,
"Hey, little pig, let me in."
"No, no, not by the hair on my chinny chin chin," replied the pig.
"Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in,"
said the wolf. So the wolf huffed and puffed, and he huffed and puffed, and he huffed and puffed, but he couldn't blow the door down. Soon he realized he couldn't open the door by huffing and puffing. Then, of course, the wolf became angry and decided that he would come after the pigs through the chimney. But the 3 little pigs knew that he was planning to do that, and they hung up a water kettle over the fire. And just as the wolf came down the chimney, he took the lid off the kettle. The hot steam reached the big bad wolf, and with a howl, the wolf shot up.
"Ouch, ouch, 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 ouch! Oh, you pigs, I will get you someday."
The wolf ran away as fast as he could. And after that, the big bad wolf never came back again. He was too scared of the 3 smart little pigs. And the pigs? They lived happily ever after, together in the house made of bricks.